Is your WhatsApp message search not working on your iPhone? Well, don't worry. In this advanced video, I'll show you how to solve the WhatsApp message search issue on an iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Sync WhatsApp. First open up the Settings app. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Solution 2. Offload WhatsApp app. Open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now, restart your iPhone and check whether your issue is solved or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And this is how you can solve your WhatsApp message search not working issue on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.